Hey there, what's up? This is Travis, the Digital Marketing Nomad, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to make $100+ a day typing. This method works anywhere around the world, and so you can work from home and in any country you like. And if you want to learn how to make a more full-time income online, you can click the first link in the description below, and it'll take you to this page. Just put in your email and it will take you to this page. This course is taught by Zach Crawford. He is a multi-7-figure earner online, and he doesn't use fancy cars or giant income statements to show you that he's successful. He does it through his students. And if you click on See My Success Stories, it will show you students from all around the world: Canada, the US, Indonesia, Costa Rica, and many more. But let's get into it. So the website we're going to use today is problogger.com. And if you go to the job section, there are tons of writing jobs. Some of them are just one-time jobs. Some of them are ongoing. So as you scroll through, you can see all the different jobs that they have. So anywhere, some are contracts. Some are specific to like Canada and the US only, but some of these work everywhere. So just scroll through and find the ones that fit what you're looking for. And that is how you're going to find the work. Now, how to do this quick and easy if you don't like writing. I myself am not a writer naturally, but using this hack, I can write really easy. And I use this a lot for my descriptions in my YouTube videos. So if you just go to Google Drive, and we're just going to create a new Google Doc. And it'll bring you to a page like this. And if you click on Tools, and then go to Voice Typing, it's going to bring you up a window like this. If you click on English, it works for many different languages. So if you speak a different language, that's fine. But all we're going to do is we're going to use a microphone. Now, you don't have to have a fancy microphone like I have. It can just be your headphones with a mic on it, your computer mic, phone, whatever you have will work. It doesn't have to be fancy. And all you do is click on the microphone. Now I'm going to set a timer here. Let's see if we can see this, for 30 seconds. And we're going to see how much I can write in 30 seconds to see just the time frame of what it will take. So let's get started. This article, we're going to be talking about how to write articles with voice text, period. The best way to do this is the free tool that is available in Google Docs, period. New paragraph. If you like writing, you can do this regularly and on a daily basis to make a lot of money, period. If this is something you are really interested in, you can keep trying this more and more, period. So that's 30 seconds. Not a lot of time required to do this, and it's really easy to make articles. You can make new paragraphs and things like that, and it's really good. If you read the writing, it is actually really accurate. So this is a quick and easy way that you can make easy $100 a day online, working from home, just writing articles for people. And ProBlogger is a great tool. But if you like this video, please thumbs up, like, subscribe, and in the comments, let me know where you're from, what country you're from, and I can make a more detailed videos based around those countries so you can start making money online. And if you found value, Please subscribe below.